Now next part is the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Now we will assume let the two consecutive integers be x and x plus 1. Consecutive means जो साथ साथ में होते हैं, right? Now according to question they have given product of two consecutive integer is 306. Means we have to do the product of these two integers x into x plus 1. So the product is equal to 306. Now we will solve it. This becomes x square plus x, and we will take 306 to left hand side. Minus 306 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Now next part is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. जो रोहन की मम्मा है उससे 26 years बड़ी हैं. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. उन दोनों की एजेस का प्रोडक्ट अब से 3 साल बाद मीन्स हम +3 करेंगे उनकी एजेस में, वो किसके इक्वल है 360 के. वी वुड लाइक टू फाइंड रोहन्स प्रेजेंट एज. हमें रोहन की प्रेजेंट एज पता करनी है. हम मान लेते हैं रोहन की प्रेजेंट एज x है, तो उसके मम्मा की एज कितनी हो जाएगी x + 26. तो अब से 3 साल बाद हमने एजेस को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो रोहन की एज क्या हो जाएगी x + 3, उसकी मदर की एज क्या हो जाएगी x + 26 + 3 मीन्स x + 29. तो इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके इक्वल हम 360 करेंगे. सो वी विल फाइंड द आंसर. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट इट. Now let the present age of Rohan is x years. Therefore his mother's age is equal to x + 26 years. Now 3 years from now or after 3 years, Rohan की age क्या हो जाएगी x + 3 years. And his mother's age will be x + 26 + 3, that is x + 29 years. Now according to question they have given product of their ages is 360. Means product of their ages after 3 years. This means x + 3 into x + 29. This is equal to 360. Now we will solve this. X into x, x square. Now x will be multiplied by 29. It means 29x plus 3x, then plus 29 into 3, that is 87. This is equal to 360. Now we'll solve it. 29 plus 3, 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. So this implies x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation.